Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a transcript from a YouTube video on your PC step by step. Viewing a transcript lets you read everything that's spoken in a video, making it easier to take notes, search for information, or copy text. So let's get started. First, open your web browser on your PC and go to YouTube. Find and open the video you want to get the transcript from. Keep in mind that transcripts are only available for videos that have captions enabled. Below the video, click on the More button if the description is collapsed. Next, click Show Transcript. A transcript panel will appear on the right side of the video. You'll see the complete transcript along with timestamps for each section. If you don't want to see the timestamps, click the three-dot menu at the top of the transcript panel. Then select Toggle Timestamps to hide them. To find specific words or phrases, use your browser's search feature by pressing Ctrl F after selecting the transcript. If you want to copy the transcript, click and drag to select the text. Then right-click and choose Copy, or press Ctrl C on your keyboard. You can now paste the transcript into a document, note-taking app, or text editor using Ctrl V. If you don't see the Show Transcript option, the video creator may have disabled transcripts, or the video may not include captions. And that's it. You've successfully viewed and copied a transcript from a YouTube video on your PC. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more YouTube tips, PC tutorials, and productivity guides. See you in the next video.